Hey guys, welcome back. So this is another video. Yeah, this is another video upon you know Java interview questions, which interview might face, whether they are facing the interview for Java or automation geek or anything related to Java. Okay, so in this series, this is going to be another add-on on the previous 4 or 5 videos where we discuss the different common Java problems. Okay. In this particular video, let's discuss problem statement where we want to remove, we have a particular string, okay, and interviewer asked you to remove the duplicate characters from the particular string. So we will look into this program, okay, we will try to write it down, we will discuss its, different aspects. I would like to explain one more thing or discuss one more thing with you guys, and that is, how interviewer can play with your mind. Okay, so be focused upon what he's saying, what are the previous questions are, because sometimes, the answer for the next question can be hidden inside the previous question. Why I'm saying this? Because during the interview time, people have face this problem, remove duplicate characters from the previous during the interview time. Whenever they have faced this question to write a program of remove the duplicacy from a particular string or a character array. Okay, so the previous question mostly was on the theoretical basis, like what is collection framework and what is set, what is hash map. Okay, so with this approach, interviewer gave you an hint. Okay, sometimes give you an hint like theoretical, and then jump to the program because Hashset is something if you might be aware about. Okay, or you can go through the Java docs and you can search what Hashset or set does. Okay, that is a part of collection framework, and basically it is useful when we want to remove the duplicacy. A set has a property where it doesn't hold, duplicate values. Okay, it can have one null value, but it cannot it cannot handle duplicate elements. So let's quickly jump to the problem statement. Okay, guys. So yeah, as always, we have this input string. This is Java. For time being, no, we are not, worrying about spaces because again, there are two spaces and one will get removed, okay, and that one will be into a result. So I'm not considering it. Let's for suppose this is our string, input string. This is Java, okay, without spaces. We want the output as, please be aware, like set doesn't maintain the insertion orders, okay, which we are going to use in the private method, but it will remove the duplicacy, which is our private, primary asked to do. Output would be, okay, so T would be there, H would be there, I would be there, S, and then the duplicate character, repetitive character will not be there, J would be there, A would be there, B would be there, okay. So this would be our output, irrespective of its order, guys. Please be focused because this it doesn't handle insertion order. Okay, so let's quickly create a private method here. Okay, it's going to be a it's more logical. This video is going to be whatever topics we are covering here. Okay, it's more logical rather than coding and all because we discuss like asset collection framework coming from previous question to next question. Okay, so let's have this private method here. Private. Let's make it static because we are not going to create its object. Okay, private static void. Okay, so let's say remove uh, duplicate duplicate characters. Okay. Taking string as input again. No worries. We have this method. Okay. Now again, the same approach for string character array. Okay, guys. So temp array, let's say, and this is going to be input. Let's say input or to character array. Yeah, the first suggestion. Now, let's make our to make our code cleaner. Okay, let's have this this method. Okay, let's have this another variable int, okay, which will calculate the temp array length. Okay, int let's say temp length. Okay. So temp array dot, okay, so it will calculate this array length. Similarly, the for loop. Okay. Let's use the enhanced for loop here. So can C, for example. But yeah, we are utilizing it in a very private method and at a local level. So there is no need to define it. Okay, it's a iterator. We will use it as a iterator. Okay, so let's be focused temper. Okay, so then this is also not required. This length, if you are going to use the traditional for loop int I equals to 0, I less than length, then you would need that length. Otherwise, in NS for loop, there is no need. Now comes the main topic, which is set. Okay, so let's declare the set of type character data type. Okay, so we will be calling it as a result set. Okay, new as okay, no need to define in the right hand side. Okay, so result set basically result set dot I think add method is there. Yeah, so add. Okay, what we need to add here the iterative. Okay. Now, let's try to run this, guys. Okay. Let's try to run this and system. Um, and so, yeah, let's try to run this now. Okay. Calling this method since we declared this method as static. Okay. So what we need to do here, we just need to call it. Okay. And then no need to create the object, guys, since we declared it as static. Running this method. Yeah, so you can see A is coming up as 1, S one time, T one time, V one time, H one time, I one time, J one time. So guys, this is what we wanted to achieve. And yeah, so this solves our problem, the problem statement. Let's insert the spaces as well. Like this is Java. So in the result, we should have one more element that should be space. Okay, let's run this program. Yeah, you can see one element is still there. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Enjoy, take care. Bye bye.